Meet the Snuggle Nest by Baby Delight. Take the bassinet out of the travel bag, unfasten the strap, and unfold. Swing out each of the 4 legs until you hear a click. Unzip the fabric cover under the top rail. Lay the bassinet on its side. Squeeze the locking trigger until the button engages. Slide the locking mechanism toward the green label until it clicks. Zip the fabric cover closed. Now repeat these steps on the other side. Remember, if you can see the red label, it's not locked yet. Your Snuggle Nest is now ready. To fold, unzip the fabric cover under the top rail. Squeeze the unlock trigger until the button engages. Slide the locking mechanism away from the green label. Repeat on the other side. You should see the red label now. This means it's unlocked. Hold both sides and gently fold the bassinet inward. Fasten the strap. Press the button on each leg and swing them in one by one. Thanks for choosing Baby Delight.